Now the next soil and the last soil in this category is the forest soil. Now these soils are mainly found in the hilly and mountainous area in India where sufficient rainforests are available. They are mainly heterogeneous soil. Heterogeneous means of different kind. Okay, they are not same. They are mainly heterogeneous soils found on the hill slopes covered by forest. They are mainly found on the hill slopes, okay, which is covered by the forest. The soil texture of this soil, it varies according to the mountain environment where they are formed. Now talking about the formation of this soil, the formation of this soil is mainly governed by the characteristic deposition of organic matter derived from forest, and their character changes with parent rocks and the climates according to the parent rock and the climatic condition, which keeps on changing as we go towards the upper side of the mountain slopes. Okay, the nature of this soil also changes. Consequently, they differ greatly even if they occur in a close proximity to one another. Even if they are very, very close to each other, then also the character can be different. So they are loomy and silty in valley sides, but they can be coarse in the upper slopes. Okay, coarse means not very, very fine. Now in the Himalayan region, such soils are mainly found in valleys, less steep and north-facing slopes. The south-facing slopes are very, very steep and exposed to denudation, and hence they do not support soil formation. You must know what is denudation. So, as I told you, the snow-covered south-facing steep slopes, they are exposed to denudation. So, denudation is a process. It is an erosive process, a erosional process of breaking and removing the rocks from the surface of the earth. Okay. It is the wearing away of terrestrial land by weathering, that is breaking, erosion, that is transportation, okay, by the moving water, alright, or the glaciers. So these are agents of denudation. So in the snow-covered areas, these soils experience denudation and therefore they are acidic and the humus content here are low. Okay, but generally the soils are rich in humus. Of course, in a higher slope the humus content is less, but generally in the valley side these are quite rich in humus but deficient in potash, phosphorus and lime. These are found less, potash, phosphorus and lime. Okay, and therefore these soils, they require good deal of fertilizers for high yielding, for good production, high production. It requires good deal of fertilizers. So these soils are mainly suitable for plantations of tea, coffee, spices and tropical fruits, particularly in the peninsular forest region, in southern region. Okay, wheat, maize, barley and temperate forest, they are also grown in the Himalayan forest region. Wheat, maize, barley and some of the temperate fruits, they are grown in the Himalayan forest region. So students, variations are found in these soils, mountain soil or the forest soil, due to various climatic and ecological conditions in which they are formed. So this soil contains concord also, pebbles, differ from place to place depending upon climate. Okay. Now where these soils are found in India? So these are distributed in Himalayas, Vindhyan mountains, Satpura mountains, Nilgiri in south and other mountains of India. Okay, the next feature of this soil is that they are acidic in nature. Why? Due to excessive presence of less decomposed humus. Okay, so therefore this soil require fertilizers for agricultural purposes. In the regions of heavy rainfall, it contains more humus. Where the rainfall is more, the humus content is more. Therefore, in this region, it is suitable for the cultivation of, as I told you, various fruits, wheat, maize and barley. Okay. Now the soils found in the lower parts of the valleys, particularly on the river tracers, river side, and the alluvial fans are fertile. Okay. Now, what is a alluvial fans? What is an alluvial fan? These are fan-shaped triangular deposits of water transported material. River water especially, they carry alluvium, water transported material, okay, and they deposit at the break, okay, of the slope. They deposit it. So they make a fan, triangular fan-like feature which is known as alluvial fans. They are typically formed at the base of topographic features where there is a marked break in the slope. So this is the picture of alluvial fan. You can see how this river has come with lots of alluvium, and here is the deposition, and this is the fan shaped, okay, triangular in shape, fan shaped alluvium deposit just at the break of the mountain slope. So forest and mountain soil is mainly found in Himalayan region. You can see, okay, in parts of Sikkim, in parts of upper Arunachal Pradesh, okay, and in some parts of southern states too. So students, this is the end of the soils, the different soils in India. In the next class we'll talk about the soil conservation and the different methods of soil conservation. Okay, so this is all for today. Thank you.